This is just an introduction, like more like basic on ArcGIS with appfile using Python model. Alright, so first of all you activate this, uh, then you try and make sure you get familiar with the helps. It helps a lot. If you click on this, you see the most of the important codes that you're going to be typing. They are always in there. So you can search for make feature layers. Search for that. You click on this. You also see some of all those codes that you can use. So this is what we're going to be working with now. Alright, so to do that, you have to import appfile. File. So if you import appfile, you see it's trying to correct your ARCPY. Yeah. So after importing appfile, a layer of, first of all, let's try and create our environment, work environment. Appfile, that's it here. It says here appfile.environment or workspace. You can just copy that. So this is not actually our own workspace. We're going to look for a workspace. The workspace is more like where all your files are going to be in a folder that you're going to be working with. So instead of navigating to one folder to another folder, it makes it easy for you to navigate. So all our folders are going to be within the shapefile, inside the shapefile. So navigate the location of the shapefile. You just can go to your folder. So this is the location. You can copy it and come to this place and you can paste it here. So oh yeah, so you can just paste it here. If you paste it here, you can click enter. Yeah, it happens most times. It happens a lot. Okay, so we are good to go. So if you do not see any error here, you notice that we are on the right track. And also if you want to also edit this, click on the up arrow and you repeat your codes and help you to restructure it or reframe it. Alright, now you can easily import shapefiles, any shapefile within this folder. The appfile.make. So ArcGIS will always give you options. And double click on this make feature layer. You can open your brackets and click on and just type in any shapefile that is inside the folder. You are going to be importing Nigeria state boundary. Importing Nigeria state boundary. And make sure you put .shp, very important, unless it will not read it. So if you've done this and you see that this place is blank, it means a bracket. This make it. Click enter. Alright. So you always make sure all these little mistakes are not can give a lot of headache when you're making a mistake like that. Alright, so now let's try one more shapefile. Appfile.make layer management and copy this and most times starting with Python might be a little bit stressful, but times you want to manage a lot of work like bulky data. It's really helpful and it actually has a lot of ways to do things more faster, especially if you know the shortcut. Alright, so always remember to put SHP here. So click enter. Alright, so you can bring this one down. Okay, so now I can make this one allo. Okay, yeah. Can make this one 0. Oh, come on. Alright. So this is one way to actually import your files in Sparkman through a Python. So now let's clear all this and look for another. There's another way you can actually do apply in Nigeria. Yes, let's do let's copy this again. Let's try it again. C drive shape file. Let's look for local government shape file. I think we're good. You can now see ArcGIS. Let's make feature layer management. We have brackets here, Nigeria, comma. You can rename it as Nigeria local governments. Yeah, underscore LGA. Probably you can just give it a space. Close your brackets. Good. I actually don't know what actually went wrong before, but it's mostly easier most time. You have to be careful with the statements and especially little lines. And also, if you make any mistake, you should understand how to read the error bar there. So now, this is another way to actually rename your work. Also, you can actually import it on ArcGIS. Thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe to get new updates on the next step. We're going to be going into analysis.